Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news.
Sir, Aisha Modi, she loves so much. That's how I know her. Minimum before they say. Sir, allegation ya working. I be confirm ni ama bebre o. One was first na oka sa Tracy buache na Miss Bell and talk na. Almost ye unim me wo some video bi so me hu ye. Ah na ye Miss Bell interview. E wo 3 news yi. Na ebisa na say odaso ne mahama e kasa na. Na o se da bi na odone papa no na say she really mess up papa no. No besides na adan no new papa no number. And I say be a papa no peso the number ne bema no. Because first no, this is Miss Bell's word though. I didn't chase for the number before. So why should I chase for the number now? Mahama access the number because of Miss Bell. Number no different no was no any needing come no was no. He said Agyabeng walk as say. He said Agyabeng olonto you. Who predecessor come oja Airbus man why you when nim no wo sen cherry amen. He said Agyabeng when nimumu and was sen cherry amen. Say me die ye gumanu mu. But tell when oh cases table up, cases table up, cases table up. Cases table up. What to me your foko kwasia say John where we kwa the baby na who chasing for the wheel. And she loves tomboy say Mahama. Was Saga na Fosika 7 million. And the amatrice buachi countries buachi hu no. He said Agyabeng Tracy buachi meaning sound baby girl. You made what you're supposed to do. That is a hustler. I will never be angry at you, Tracy buachi. Never. Because you did your hustle. The enyamede ma wona wo twa no sebe. Enti wo ton wo twa ni ye wan fa nkodi di akwasiampa fo de sede a ebinumo gas bi di akwasiampa fo no wo kodi president waje hu sika fabo obra Tracy buachi e waja 7 billion fabo obra 7 million no fabo obra because ye di wan se ye de ma wo da ho ya ba na e be ka kire se campaign eno me bi sa se kasum scenario ewuni ni tu bebre be se cargo goods woman in our campaign at the Mahama. 1 million wa he, 2 million wa he, and now we about radio so ani yesu, ya bet TV so ani yesu. I'll come back tomorrow. If Kusi Agyabeng has God in him, if Kusi Kwasi Agyabeng, special prosecutor Jimmy. Special prosecutor Jimmy Tintinto. What the order me who can make yawa mo anke ye we split e bedu eche ebebo me. Me do nyam me se kwafo bi wo a omuntina me ko Ghana o. Wo muntina me ko Ghana. Me si ana na ma start di na te me yana mo ma bia me. Me okay wo ba bua you mind me. Ene mo ba bro me me wu Ghana ho me do nyame. E bia na me nsi o mo. Na me hu Kusi Agyabeng so nam ho. Now I'm holding a special prosecutor. But that's the work was Penny. Leave that fucking office. Do not make Diomono. No, Namia Madumana parliamentarians. Ominya Jimmy Kofremko and yes, I don't Ghana Bebutu. Sada no mema amen will be a whom be because Sada nan be able chamber. Me be a free chamber or no more. Cost will be our budget, will be our budget. Double salary for no one for no will be our budget. Wicked people. Oh, the 7 million I show bias because you could tape. You better say tape. It's not true. Anyone who has information, provide. Me, I saw some pictures. I said it here. Now or shall pour me. Your box to be a friend of pour me. Designer box to be a friend of pour me. Now I say, a Photoshop, Anna. Say your Photoshop. There is actually a video, a sex video of you. Charlie, Yapon, when Uncle. Metro BEC or Ghana, so I know these things I'm talking about. I know how many times people have to bring their kids to my uncle to come and beg my uncle so they can enroll them in a school. And sometimes when you look at the amount of money they are looking for, it is even sad. But this was a problem for them. Okay? It is Wunya Abainbi Utieni Yipa. Nase Onoba. no ebe identify say adan ye won kwada bebre go street so a airton dog chains ne ho ne ama e de na ekoso adan ye mfa idea bi mba na sebe akwada bi an kon bedo ana obenyo pepa ne so obeko school no onko school minia ehiafo party e wo Ghana enya me na meka won sa na omo ka no say Social Democratic Party, that is the meaning. Please, ubia odwene ehiafo ho. Social Democratic Party. Ubia odwene ehiafo ho. NDC, Social Democratic Party is what they are. Inti womon hihye ene womon susuye no say ye dia edwene oman ene ehiafo ho. That is what it means. So we are social democrat. So we are somebody like a Republican. A Republican is looking at empowering the rich people because they are almost idea and they say the more we empower the rich people, the more they will open jobs. But we have seen say empowering rich people, which is what top 1.9% of the population, doesn't do the magic. Rather, the people that transforms the economy is the middle class. It is not the top. Okay, because you discuss. I'm a mama top for no. So we move in be njuma nini na no anko yi. Mama typical example in Ghana. And the Ghana for sorry no mo Ekufuado tiso. And the banks no mo bank. Mahama himself, okay, gave an amount of 640 million to some of these banks, including Parkway Sindum. I didn't know the man or the man said ye beya wa we Ghana ni a usika da ho no yetumi de atua oka. But the question is say sika ni kodi sika ni nsem no wo hia ni na wo do bojo won katie wo kwadu sika de koto no won saka ya na no won sanka. And it is the same thing. Before we used to think say when you give incentives to the people up umbe bie njuma no bi anya biaye. That is not true. Because it is not a guarantee say sikana wo de ma sebi sikani no wo di ko bi adwuma na hia ni bi anya biaye. So it doesn't work. So the best thing most governments are now trying to do is to empower their middle class. Empower your middle class, because the middle class is the intermediary between the upper class and the lower class. That is the mediator. And everybody is eating. Into gone are the days here now. Those type of Republican ways now to the point say omo drug plans now was all controlled by the private individual, by the private sector. Price omo pen omo jeje the omo pen omo ye ohie ni chase be chefa e was our system ni mu enu ti Obama ba yo se dey bi me ntumi nhwe ma hiafo onwu saa de a moma yenye bibi e friend Affordable Care Act and so Obama Care na yemfa mu ahiafo enu ti and Affordable Care Act e bu ahiafo America. Over 20 million people enrolled in the Medicaid and they are really getting the best of the services as they were not getting even when they were paying money. And those of you in the state, you can tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You understand? Entino, say yesha anka obi oye NDC or no nanka akwada suku ohie ni wa akwada oton dog chain akwada oton kulenu akwada onam